Welcome to Ipeoplex, a human resource information system developed by MCG IT Consulting Solutions. In this video, we will give you a brief introduction on how to use Ipeoplex software for staff accounts. In order to log into the system, please use any available web browsers on your laptop, smartphones, or other smart devices and type hris.ipeoplex.com, then click Enter or Return. Insert your provided username and your temporary password, then click Enter to access to the system. If you log into the software for the first time, we strongly advise you to change your temporary password by clicking to your profile picture, choose Change Password, then enter required information, then click Save to update your new password. Now, as you can see, this is the system interface after you log into the software. In general, you can view your working and leave schedule in the top left corner of the system. And then next, you can view your annual salary, staff on leave monthly, weekly, or daily, and also company's announcements, frequently asked questions, and list of internal policies. Please click directly to each section to view more details. For every staff, there are 7 main functions as follow: My Information, My Onboarding, My Leave, My Payroll, My Performance, My Time Management, and My Offboarding. Now let's go through the tutorial how staff can perform different tasks in each functions. Firstly, with My Information function, you can access to view and update information regarding to your personal details and employment details. In order to add new information or documents in each item, please click Add button, then insert required information, then click Save to confirm the action. To view and edit your information after saving or upload related document to the system, you can choose corresponding buttons and click to continue. You can hover over the icons here to see more suggestions for each function. Please note that there will be some information required the approval form from the HR staff or line manager. After the information has been approved by the person in charge, staff cannot edit or delete the information anymore. The next function staff can perform is My Payroll. Here you just click on the title, hover to track more information, then click View to view in details or to download or print monthly payslip. The third function is My Performance, where you can manage your performance whether the performance assessment is in progress or completed. Moreover, you can set your own objectives, assess your performance, and confirm the results. The process will depend on specific company's HR policy. Please notice the staff status and the manager status columns to manage the progress of a praise period. For example, if the staff status is self-appraising, you can self-assess by right-click to the icon, then choose the mark in the list in order to rate your performance. Please note that if you choose to save, you can go back to add or adjust the information. If you click to choose Save and Submit, your input will be sent to the next performance step and the information is no longer editable. In order to view appraisal in the past which have been already completed, please click to complete it, then click the icon to view more details. So that was the performance function, and now let's move on to onboarding function. This function allows staff to track personal induction process and rate personal probation performance. Staff can always view company policy and template. In order to view the detailed process, click and follow the instruction. When you complete one task, check the corresponding empty box in the right hand, then click Save to save the progress. The probation process is the same as the performance process, which has been already mentioned above. Regarding to the policy and template, please click the icon to view more details. The next function for staff accounts is Time Management. This function allows staff to view personal work log or to submit overtime requests. In order to create a new overtime request, click Add and insert all the required information in the form, then choose Save to send the request to your line manager for approval. You can follow the process in the status column. Right is here to see whether it is still pending or has been approved. In order to view your timesheet, click Work Log and use the function bar to navigate to the wanted period of time. The next function, My Leave, allows staff to send personal leave requests and to view personal leave history, personal leave balance, and complete holiday calendar. Simply click to Leave Request to create a new leave request. Insert required information such as leave type, start date and end date of the leave. Choose Attach 5 if applicable, then click Submit to send the request to your line manager for approval. Besides, you can record all the leave requests sent to your line manager. Click to each session to see which ones you already used and which ones are still pending for approval. Holiday calendar section will give you the list of public holiday of the current year applied in your company. And the final function you have permission to access to with staff account is offboarding. In order to submit resignation, you just click offboarding, insert all the required information in the form, then click Save to send the request to your manager for approval. Alright, so we just introduced you how to use our software Ipeoplex with a staff account. We hope that this video has given you sufficient information and support to get familiar using the system. Thank you very much for your coordination.